there you have it. The Blitz are on, just for test fit. It's not gonna look like this when I'm gonna rebuild it. Just kind of want to see. I like him. Oh, just imagine, deep dish. What do you think, man?
It's nice.
Just for a mock-up?
Yeah, just for mock-up. I like the rear.
I agree. Yeah, they all need working. But you can kind of visualize what it's gonna be. Look who it is. Came to join the party.
It's actually pretty cute.
That's it for 1 second. What brings you here, Josh?
What up, mate?
Dylan.
Walking the doge.
I was putting the Blitz on. Hey man, stop teasing about my puncture right here. You did that, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
You did that for some discount.
No, look, it's too close to the sidewall, bro. It needs new tyres, bro.
Oh yeah.
I've got one, I stick them in all the time. I hate them, bro.
You stick what in, bro?
Like mad car when you stick it in. Okay, let's go.
Hey Vaughn.
Yeah.
Screw you, man. Screw you.
It's leaking bad, bro. Jesus.
Screw you, Vaughn.
Screw you, man.
Screw you. Smile. We are all done for today. The puncture is fixed and the Blitz are tireless. And thanks, bro. Thanks for your help. It's been a tiring day. Alright, man, thanks. If there's something I really miss and I really want back, that is my daily Civic. It's just been sitting here for 2 weeks now, and I really just need to start on these brakes and get it fixed. There's no issue with the Chaser being daily. Sometimes I just want to drive a beat around car so I don't have to worry about having a car crash or any incidents happen to my Chaser. So yeah, it's just very relaxing to just drive around a bearded Honda. You guys are about to witness something that's never been done in my driveway before, and that's jacking this car up on this rocky driveway and putting stands on the car on this goddamn rocky, stupid driveway. I managed to make this work. When I was jacking the car up, I realized I need new front tires because, oh boy, there's actually, I don't know if you can see it, but there's wires starting to come out. This one's alright, maybe 10%. I honestly should give more attention to my daily. It's the same as my Chaser, but I guess I get lazy, so one step at a time. The Blitz looking very thin on getting done this year because it's still got things to do with the Chaser to fix, but now I got the Civic to fix. So yeah, the perks of having a daily and a weekender. This gun has been the best investment I've ever made. Blades, baby. Look how bold my tires are. I think these are like 2 years old at least. 2 or 3. So obviously needed a change, but I didn't expect this much camber wear. You can see these brake calipers, it's very greasy. You can tell there's a leak. Now these are the new boys. Need brake fluid, which I'll do tomorrow with Ivan. And I got brand new caliper. I got this from Aussie Spares and it's brand new for not much, maybe 160 I paid. Kind of concerning because they kind of look different, but they're still a test fit. I'm sure you all can relate that every time you want to work on your own car, something just has to happen, right? So, good news, the calipers are off, right? Got that off really easy. Now the bad news is, they're not the same calipers. Alright, it's day 2 and well, I went back to the shop and had a chat about my brake calipers. Well, we came to a conclusion that they didn't have the exact one for sale. Apparently this is like a DC2 one. So I just went on and bought the rebuild kit. It was about $46 for the rebuild kit and I'll take it down to Payton to rebuild it. So supposedly that the brake caliper was the only thing I was meant to work on. But since the car is up on stands and that is not the thing I'm going to be working on, because I gotta wait till I get the kit and then I gotta put it to the shop. So you can imagine I'm not gonna get the car back in maybe a week or 2. So I went on and bought another Dizzy distributor, because on my current one I've changed the O-rings but it's still leaking, and there is another bushing just in the middle of that, here, and pretty much you gotta dissect all this. It's pretty much like a rebuild, so I didn't bother rebuilding it, and I got another one for $50. So then, as I said yesterday, the tires were bald. I went and got new tires from HPR. These were 70 each and balanced. So while the car's up on the jack, I told myself, you know what, might as well give my car an oil change and oil filter change. So it's pretty much, it pretty much turned into a service in my driveway. So yeah, pretty keen to get these on, get back on the road safely, make sure I get things done right. One thing I was most annoyed about was how bad my Dizzy was leaking. Hey guys, so I'm in Canberra.
We found the key to the house, I think.
This is Hui,
One of
the
them.
birthday boy. Whoa.
Oh, it's so big!
Yo, look this pool table. Oh hey guys, guess who it is? It's Linda.
This wasn't even locked though, it's so scary.
This house is so big. Got a pool table.
Welcome to Bryant studies.
Whoa, no way. Check out, whoa. It's so echoey. Yo, check out this garage. What? This is where the Chase is gonna stay, right here. Wait, let me stand right in this corner right now. This is like a basketball court. This is kangaroos. See how close I can get. Holy crap. There's so many bugs on my bumper. Oh man. Oh man. Gotta do another quick wash. Yo, check this garage out. It is huge. This is goals. Hey guys, I got these incomplete stickers. Pretty much my friend is starting a movement called Incomplete, because 90% or I would say 70% of the car scene everyone's car is like pretty much incomplete. Mine is definitely incomplete, it's not complete. So yeah, that's the whole reason for this movement. I was thinking to put it down there. I started this unintentional spine that I got going on, so might add this to the collection and just keep going. I was thinking maybe replace the snow foam and put up there. I don't know. What do you think, babe?
Pretty good, reflective stickers.
Yeah, you think up,
Either.
down there, right?
I think both are nice.
Both nice. Thanks for your help, babe. I don't know what to do. But I think I like it down there better. These are the ones I just selected. These are probably one of the first designs he did. He will not do these ones again, and these are my favorite. These go up really good in the sun. So yeah, check out his page. I'll put it down below. And yeah, gonna install this now.